Hey y'all, I kind of cheated last night, or not yesterday, because I opened this package because I was like, is it a letter or not? I couldn't remember what it was. I was like, I'm so curious, I'm just gonna open it real quick. And no, it says Eswbeauty. This is from that brand. This is right here. Girl, I was still like, I can't remember about this brand. What's this? Is this it by accident? I don't remember getting PR from them or anything. And I'm like, I opened this and I'm like, oh duh. I even did a TikTok video of it, of how to win this free mask, because I was looking for brand forms, brand PR opportunities. I go to each brand's Instagram and their link tree and their bio. I click it and make sure they have, I make sure and check their to see if they have brand opportunities, so where you can sign up to receive free products or PR lists and all that. So it was like, this brand didn't have that, but they had a giveaway there in their link tree, and it said, just fill out this form and you're gonna get this mask for free. Basically, I was like, what? I definitely don't have to wait. I'm just gonna get it for free like that real quick. That's how easy this giveaway is. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna let everyone know. So that's why I did that video on TikTok like last month or so. So I don't know if people did do it and enter the giveaway or they didn't, but whatever. Anyways, this took like a month. I even forgot about it. So yeah, just basically, if you want to win free products from brands and you're a content creator, it gets expensive. So if you don't have the money to buy skincare, makeup for you to upload content with, then do that. What I do, just go to their Instagram or TikTok or whatever other social media they have that they're active on, and then just basically sign up on their forms. And yeah, it's pretty easy, but people don't know or they don't do their research, so that's why they don't get opportunities. And they're like, how do you get so and so? It's so basic, it's common sense, and it's right there in front of you. You just don't see it. I don't want to sound rude, but it's the truth. A lot of people don't want to do the work, and it's like, girl, it's so easy. You don't have to pay, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to. And there's people on Instagram that they do services and take advantage of lazy people that don't do their research, that don't know how to reach out to brands or to see like which brand has a PR opening and all that, which is simple. You don't have to go to school for it. You don't have to pay somebody course to do that. You can figure out by yourself. But a lot of people know that people are lazy and people don't want to do all that. They just want the answers like that. So that's how they're making money. But I feel like if I do those courses, I'm not gonna make any money, to be honest. Nobody's gonna buy it for me. I just feel it. So like, if I write a book about it, nobody's gonna read it and buy it. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna give my information for free, whatever. I'm like, oh well, if you want to take it and use it, then good. If not, then oh well, that's on you. If you don't want to grow as a content creator, then that's on you. I'm doing my part, and I'm basically doing it at the end to help people, because I feel like that's why we're here, to help other people. I don't want to take advantage of people and get money from them. I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, it's kind of like a black and white situation. People think that you're using people for making courses about these things, or it's a good business idea. And I get both sides, so I'm in the neutral side. So yeah, maybe in the future I end up charging for how to get PR and all that, but probably nobody's gonna buy it now because I've been sharing it for free. I'm freaking out, but yeah, this way I don't care. Oh well, anyways, that was a huge talk about random PR. Okay, whatever. So this is from Eswbeauty, and this is their matcha, I don't know how to say it, almond milk radiance plant-based milk mask. So this is how it looks. So this is basically vegan. So this is from Korea as well, this brand, and this has clean ingredients, it's cruelty free, it's recyclable, it's compostable sheet mask. So if you throw it away, it's not gonna harm the planet, the environment, and all that. So wow, okay, so I like the packaging. It looks like a milk. It's so cute. So I need sheet masks. These are the types of mask that I use normally, or the ones that you apply on, like you're supposed to let it dry. I hardly use those. I don't even have one. So yeah, I have this one. I always keep forgetting to use these. I don't know why I keep forgetting. So yay, I have a new one. So yeah. So oh yeah, this is their Instagram, their social media. And the way I found this brand out is because somebody I follow unboxed their products, and I was like, let me click and see if they have brand opportunities. They didn't, but they did have this giveaway. So I was like, I'm gonna take advantage. I'm like, you know what, free is free, and if you need it, then even better, you know. So I'm like, I take advantage. I'm like quick with it, because most things are probably gonna be like expired, or like brands are not gonna do this anymore maybe, or you never know. So like, might as well just take advantage of these opportunities brands give you. So if you are if you stalk your boyfriend or your ex, then you can be a content creator, because you literally have to do that with brands. You have to stalk their content and the daily, stalk their profile, their Instagram stories. They do secret giveaways. That's how I got the elderberry product from Muchas. Or they do random PR opportunities, or they do beauty events. Like from Eswbeauty, there was a beauty event on their Instagram story, and you had to sign up. And their Instagram story, literally, they had like a swipe up link, and that's how I got accepted for my first ever beauty event. Not because they reached out to me by email, just by being a sneaky little well, not sneaky, it's on public. It's not like I'm stalking them, but for being on top of their stories or links and their bios, that's how you get great content creator opportunities. You just have to look and keep on the lookout, but it's hard. Sometimes I don't do it because there's a lot of brands, and it's hard. It's hard to keep up, and I'm like, I don't care. Sometimes I'm like, whatever. I'd rather them reach out to me. But when you're a small content creator, you need to do the work first. I know it's like that sucks. So this is not for everyone. It's just, if it's a thing that you want to do, then you just have to do the work for it. And yeah, basically you're gonna get opportunities, and yeah, so don't give up. All right, okay. Because some people are lazy, and they want people to reach out to them first, but you're supposed to do it too back. Don't just wait. You also have to do it back. Like, brands reach out to me, and I also reach out to brands. So that's why I have a lot of opportunities for doing it both ways. So yeah, it's the same as a relationship. If you want a relationship, then go look for it. Go look for that person. If you want a brand to reach out for you, do the same thing. Reach out to them first. If you don't do that, they're not gonna see you. Same if you're trying to find someone and you don't want to be single, it's the same thing for brands, you know. So, or a career or any job that you want, is basically is the same things that you do in life. You do it as this content creator job. It's not like a traditional job where you just they do everything for you and they tell you what to do. This is not like that. So if you don't like that structure, like you doing things by yourself, figuring things out, I can't say that word. If you don't have that in you, you're probably not going to be able to be a content creator or a business owner or work by yourself or be an independent contractor and all that. So yeah, it's basically not for everyone, and everyone wants to do this, but no, I see people that can't do the bare minimum. I can't even talk. So it's like, I'm not gonna do everything for you, all right? So and I'm being nice, because people don't even say what I just said, the tips that I'm giving y'all, so y'all better take it. So yeah, it's basically how I've been receiving a lot of PR opportunities. Wow, 10 minutes in it, and I was just gonna unbox this. Wow, but yeah. So this video is gold. It's literally a gold mining video that if you find it, then you're in luck, because I just gave you the answers for free, and a lot of people offer to pay money for other bigger content creators for them to tell them this and other things, and those big influencers take advantage of those small influencers people. And yeah, I'm not gonna do that at all. I have a knot here, look. No, I don't like to take off my knots, because then it's not gonna look as curly anymore. Anyways. So yeah, that's basically it for this explanation thingy. Wait, so this is renews and refreshes your skin. Okay. So this has green tea and sweet almond seed extract. All right, so this makes your skin look radiant. So let's see if this is true. All right, so basically you're supposed to apply the mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove it. As a traditional simple mask. You don't have to do anything, just put it on and that's it. I don't really even want to use it because it looks so cute. Look at that freaking carton packaging, so pretty. So yeah, they probably don't have this giveaway now because that's what it is last month. So oh well. So anyways, this is the other masks they have. They have other types of masks. I got this one. So there's the avocado, banana, vanilla, oat, blueberry, coconut. It looks like food. I thought it was like protein drinks at first. It looks like that, but no, it's just a mask. Oh, it says another free mask. It says to use that code, but you have to order $10 worth of things. If not, you're not gonna get it. So if y'all want to order something from them, here's the code. I'm not gonna use it, so there you go. That's how you get a free mask if you didn't get to enter that giveaway like I did. So yay, that's basically it for this video. I'm gonna put everything here in the screen or in the description box underneath. So yeah, okay, yeah, bye, thanks for watching.